In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text mask element to your project. This is a fantastic way to enhance your design with a visually appealing and dynamic text effect. So let's dive right in and explore how you can do this effortlessly in your editor. First off, you want to open the page in your editor that's relevant to your project. Having the right page open is essential, as it allows you to see your overall design and make real-time adjustments. Once you've got the page open, look for the option to add elements. This is typically represented by an icon or a button labeled Add Elements. Clicking on this will open up a variety of design components you can incorporate into your project. One of the options you'll see is text. Click on it to explore further, and within the text options, you should find something labeled Text Mask. Text masks are special because they allow you to create text elements that have creative backgrounds or effects. Now, it's time to select a design that really speaks to you. Click on Text Mask and browse through the assortment of designs. You can drag a text mask design that you like onto your page to position it precisely where you think it would look the best. Here's a quick tip. Some of the text mask designs come with a video background, which can add a really dynamic element to your project. To get a preview of these effects, just hover over the design. This preview helps you ensure that the design complements your overall theme before committing to it. Choose the design that best fits the mood and message you want to convey. Once you've placed the text mask element on your page, you might want to make it more personalized by changing the text. To do this, click on the text mask element within your editor. You'll notice an option called Change Text. Click on that, and a field labeled Add Your Own Text will appear. Here, you can enter the text that you want to display. Be sure to choose a message that aligns with your design goals, whether it's a headline, a call to action, or an inspirational quote. And here's a helpful note. Once you input your text, it saves automatically. So you don't have to worry about losing your work if you forget to click a save button. This auto-save feature provides peace of mind, allowing you to focus more on creativity rather than logistics. By following these steps, you'll successfully add and customize a text mask element to enhance your design. Whether you are creating something for personal use or a professional project, understanding how to use these tools can significantly elevate your design's appeal. Enjoy experimenting with different text masks and personalizing them to suit your unique style. Thanks for watching, and happy design.